Welcome to CarHow channel. Today I'll show you how easily replace the battery in a Volkswagen Touareg key from 2011 to 2018. Let's get started. First, we need to release the emergency key blade. Press the VW logo, and the tip of the emergency key will pop out. When the tip of the emergency key pops out, there's a small spring-loaded stopper near it. First, press the VW logo again. While holding the logo pressed, press down the spring-loaded stopper with your fingernail. Then pull out the emergency key blade. Now we'll remove the side metal trim from the key fob. On the left side of the key, there's a small hole. Insert a thin flathead screwdriver into it. Once inside, push the screwdriver downwards to press a small internal clip. When you press it correctly, the metal trim will release and you can remove it. Now we remove the battery from the side section of the key fob. Using a small screwdriver, we gently hook and pull out the battery holder. Here we see the battery. It is a CR2032 type battery. Next, insert the new battery. Make sure the positive side is facing down, just like shown on the holder. Then carefully place the battery holder back into the key fob casing. Reattach the side metal trim. At the front of the trim, there's a small tab or hook-like tip. First, insert that tip into the front slot. Then snap the trim into place. It will click when secured. Finally, slide the emergency key into its slot. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your VW key.